Hi, this is Ahmed again from Avantgarde Software, and today I would like to present you another make.com template which I made for you, and this time it's completely for free, so everyone can just use it. It goes by the name of DocuWare Pre-Storage Validation because it's just like this bouncer here you see on the screenshot. It will check whether it's allowed to store this document or not. So just like the template before, it doesn't require you to program anything, to program any C# code or Node.js code or anything. It can be used just like before with plug and play, and it is actually for checking the index metadata before storing the documents to DocuWare, and it doesn't require any setup of DocuWare Workflow, so you can just use it right away with the validation services, which has DocuWare already. It will avoid duplicate documents in your system. It guarantees a correct index metadata. And as I mentioned before, there is no coding or no programming required. You can just build it like Lego bricks. And yeah, let's just validate what you can do with it. So therefore, I prepared the web client here for you, where I already stored the document, which is this invoice here. So this one is already in my system, as you can see here. And now I will show you what will happen if I try to store the same document again. And for doing so, I just used intelligent indexing here, and all my fields are already pre-filled. So let me just move that one here. And you see if I click now on store, the validation service on make.com checks the invoice data, and it tells you that the document already exists because we already have a similar document in the system. And you can also use it actually to dynamically check the mandatory fields, because if I try to store, for instance, this quote or proposal here, as you can see here, and if this hasn't got a project, it will tell me that it's not allowed, because quotes must have a project field. And if I do so by providing it simply and click here on store, you see I was now able to store this document. And what I really like the most on this validation template is you can really dynamically check for the index fields, because let's say I would like to create another invoice here. You will now see that the validation failed also as well this time, but this time it asks for amount, date, company, and document number. So this is one of the use cases where you can use it for. But I mean, there are of course another plenty use cases where you can use this. And actually, as I mentioned before, you can use it for dynamically checking for mandatory fields. You can also verify that the due dates of invoices are in the future, of course, or if the supplier even exists. And the best I like on this here is interacting with Make makes it possible to look up 1,000 or more than 1,000 other apps for correct index data, right? Because you see here my make.com template, and you could simply extend this with another lookups to other systems, like other ERP systems or CRM systems, if the index data is really correct. Right? And yeah, that's it actually for today. And if you want to use this template, just head over to make.com, and within the templates area, you can just simply search for DocuWare, and it will bring you up this validation template, because it's also the first officially approved make.com template. So yeah, have fun with it, and you will find the link to the template and also this video here on my website, which is on https://avantgarde-software.com. And I will also put another video into it where you can see what's required to set this up. Okay, many thanks. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.